goes, little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey ONESMARTFROs, it's me, Gina, and as you can see from this video, I'm dripping. Dripping. I am about to do a wash and go. I just had the idea to do a wash and go with these products because I'm feeling like they're going to give me where I want to be in life. So reason why my hair is white is because I went ahead and applied the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate leave-in. I did a video and I used this leave-in. This leave-in is super hydrating. And you guys know one of the reasons why I don't like doing wash and goes is because I always feel like my hair is dry no matter what. I'm just going to put a little bit more just because I put it while I was in the sink. I'm feeling like I didn't get the roots, but you guys know that that's one of the reasons why I don't like doing wash and goes, because I always feel like my hair is dry, and so I don't really care for wash and goes. But that leave-in is super hydrating, so I went ahead and I co-washed my hair, which is another rare thing. I went ahead, I co-washed my hair just because my hair was getting a little tangled from those flexi rods. And then I applied this after washing my hair out just because I felt like it might work a little bit better with my hair soaking wet. So I applied that, and then I'm going to use the Jello shot as my gel. I did a video using some of EcoSlay's products, and I will link that. And this gel is actually like really good, but it was very drying. Like the leave-in from EcoSlay just wasn't moisturizing enough for my kinky texture, so I needed like a different leave-in, and so I want to try it with this leave-in. I feel like because of the consistency of the honey leave-in that my hair may not flake, and so I have high hopes, but I could be wrong. So that's what I'm doing. This is probably the last bit of this EcoSlay gel that I'm going to be able to use. So I'm going to apply this. And the EcoSlay gel also works better with soaking wet hair. So that's another reason why I'm here with soaking wet hair. So this can be either really good or it can be really bad. And I feel like last time I did this EcoSlay gel, I think I got better results when I tried to like shingle, but so I'm just gonna go in and do curl by curl. Come on, don't lose focus now. Like this. I just think it works better with my texture when it comes to this gel. And also one thing about this gel is you don't necessarily need more product, you need more water. And that's been my experience with this gel. So this is the curl definition. Not super heavy. And then I'm just gonna continue to do this to my hair. This side. It says apply gel liberally. So maybe the gel was mad at me for using. So what I'm just gonna do is, because all I'm gonna do is just apply this gel to my hair. So I'm going to speed this up. I'm kind of doing like rake and shingle. Raking to kind of spread the product throughout, but then kind of shingling a little bit to kind of get that individual curl. But raking is also helping do that as well, so ain't that big a deal. Ooh, juicy, 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 juicy. This gel, it feels like it's not working, but it be working. It be working. It be working. It be working, and it has like a super hard hold. I mean, if you like crunch and a hard cast, you will get crunch and a hard cast with this. And as you guys can see, I feel like my hair, compared to other wash and go videos that I've done, my back is very already shrunken. So I'm just going to repeat this. I'm going to cut on some TV because right now I'm just talking to myself and it's a little awkward while I finish the rest of my head.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making.
Okay, so I don't know, my camera just like refuses to get in focus, but I have finished applying this jello shot and my hair is already shrunken. So we definitely gonna have to stretch this, but I'm gonna shake my hair to clump my hair a little bit more. And I'm not gonna shake it too hard, but I'm gonna go in the bathroom and shake it harder. But this is essentially what I do. Like this. Because I have type 4 hair, I'm going to have to shake my, like, if I want to part, I'm going to have to part it now. part it now, forever hold your peace, because it will not part once it's dry. So fingers crossed that it comes out good. And I'm praying that it does not flake. But right now, I'm trying not to touch my hair too much. The curls. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. So I will come back when my hair is dried. I'm probably going to also stretch my hair as well, because this shrinkage is real. Like, I feel like when I've done wash and goes before with like Eco Solid Gel or Wet Line, my hair has not shrunken up this much. So we'll see. I really hope that this is moisturizing. Now, the only thing that sucked is good that I'm using a product, but bad, I'm out of this stuff and I will be out of it. I only got 2 uses out of it. I really do like this and I am going to repurchase it, not anytime soon. But I feel like if you're somebody who does a lot of wash and goes, you don't have to buy like multiple of these, because you're not going to get that many uses unless you can buy like a bigger ounce or something like that. But if you're somebody who doesn't do wash and goes often, you know, you might be able to have it for a long time. You just got to keep it refrigerated and you got to use it before it goes bad, because it has pretty fresh ingredients in it. But yeah, I only got 2 uses from it, but I really, really enjoyed it. And out of all the like natural gels that I've tried, this is definitely one of the best natural gels. So I will repurchase this. But let me sit under the dryer and I will be back in the next clip. Okay, so I am back and I have stretched my hair, and this may literally be the best wash and go that I have ever had. This combination, fucking brilliant. Like, my hair, it has the hold that I like for my hair to have when it comes to doing wash and goes, but it's still very soft because that honey leave-in is so moisturizing. And so my hair, it feels soft, but I'm getting the definition that I've always wanted. I'm so sad I'm out of that Jello shot. I think I'm gonna order like 2 or 3 more, because I think we have a wash and go combo. Like this. This is it. Look at this wash and go. And it's bouncy, it's movie. Sometimes like I feel like my wash and goes are like stiff because of the gel. But they're stiff where? Where? There's no stiffness. Look at this. It looks so good. It looks so good. Like, look at it. Each curl. Look at the curls. Look at that. I'm happy. I'm happy. You guys know I'm really not like a wash and go type person, but I do them every once in a while. But this may make me want to do wash and goes a little bit more often. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm not getting flakage. I was worried about flakage, but so I feel like that honey leave-in is like liquid, but it's really not liquid. So it like keeps my hair moisturized, but it pairs really well because it kind of acts like a liquid. So definitely not getting any flakage, which is what I was worried about. But this is a great combo. This is it. This is it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this wash and go video, because you know I don't do them often, but we did it today. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to thumbs it up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.